So trees struck by lightning die. There's new growth. The arson debate shop. Damage to my fence from the tree. That light pole has been replaced, but it fell on my chain link fence, hence I had to get the wood fence. Another tree. It was not struck by lightning. It's not dead. Hold on, baby, I'm documenting the trees. Oh, go look in my pants pocket. This tree back here, same scenario. There was fire to it. This is what I'm waiting to burn. Again, this was not lightning. If it was lightning, the trees would be dead. They would die. It's not what happened here. This was done to another tree at another property. And my ex-husband's nephew, a guy did a divorce for his sister's brother, so I guess that would be his ex-brother-in-law, were arrested for arson. I did catch one of them on camera. I did not get their face. All I got was their hoodies and shoes, and I did confirm that they were wearing them. So I know for a fact that people have participated in firebombing my trees. That's illegal.